Hi, my name is Ben, and I would like to talk about this workshop trolley I made. I have a tip on my website making it a couple of years back, but I've done a few changes to it, and these are the changes. Now this is the trolley in question. There's 16 drawers on each side. I have changed all the stuff on the shelves, which I keep on it. Now I still have the welder. I have a wee tray on it now. And the vise. I welded a bit of plate onto it, which was able to keep the vise secure. Now on this side I have another little vise and a plate for 4 screwdrivers, and I welded this plate onto it. And of this hand drill. Now this is a very useful tool for threading. I'm going to make a table for it with T-slots for the bolt work to. I have a tip on this hand drill. I turned it into a electric drill at one time with a motor on it, but I prefer back to its original state. As I say, I'm going to make a table for it. And these are the 16 drawers on the other side. It is a very, very useful trolley. I keep this large bit of steel on it for this is 2 inches by 17 inches. It's quite heavy, but it does for hammering out stuff on it and topping out plate, etc. But this old hand drill I wouldn't be without now. Very useful. But I hope to make a nice wee table for it. It's quite old. And it is a good, sturdy trolley. I have a tip on my website, I think, when I was making it or thereabouts, but I've made a few alterations to it since then, which have proved successful. With the two shelves, that bottom shelf holds a lot of stuff. 7-inch casters, which these two can be. Secured when doing a bit of work to them on the vise. Nice little trolley. Go to my website and say I have quite a few tips. I have one tip on, I think I'm making this at the time or just after it, but I've done a lot of work to it and I have done a few changes to it, and I will make a tip when making the table for to put onto it for to hold work. Use it for holding work, for threading with tops, dies. And thank you for watching. Go to my website, Benny Marner. Thank you.